Hello and welcome to 934 Price Farms, near the back where the Greenway is. This is a very spacious 3 bedrooms and a sunroom. This is the 3rd room. With 2 closets. Sorry, just 1 closet. There's basically 2 owner suites here. Here's the first. Tile walk-in shower. Spacious closet. The second owner suite is over there. Front door. I love that sunroom. And you back up to the Greenway, so you are near the back, so it's nice and quiet, except for right now they're mowing the lawn, which is all done for you here, maintenance-free living. This is the second owner suite. With a walk-in closet here. And a nice courtyard back here. Very accessible for handicapped, or if you want just a 1 level without any steps, or maybe there's a little step going into the garage, but that's it. Large pantry. Second pantry, double doors there. If that's not enough, there's another large room right here for storage. Coat closet right here. Another space here with an outlet, which would be great if you want a second refrigerator. And then a large spacious laundry room. Again, maintenance-free living. If you would like a private tour of this home, either give your agent a call. If you don't have one, give me a call. I would love to show it to you. Thank you. Have a great day.